Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest today is Denise Glam Style Living. And the theme is Mackenzie Child Christmas, black and white or checkered. So here is my black and white checkered tablescape. I have the Harlequin table runner to start, and I have this little nutcracker with a little bit of a checkered vest. And here is my centerpiece, which has eucalyptus and white flowers, and I have it all in this black vase with a little bit of gold edging. The table runner was from Amazon, and I only have a few black and white checkered plates, and those came from Amazon as well. And here's a close-up. And then I have a black and white checkered napkin that I wrapped around a white Lenox plate. I've had this for years. I believe since we were married, like 47 years ago. And here is a black with gold edging charger. Again, that was from Amazon. So I think that made a very nice Mackenzie child-inspired table setting. There's many ways to display your napkin. And I've tried putting a napkin around a plate before, and I think that looks really nice. But of course, you can put your napkin under your flatware, which I have here, which is gold and silver from Amazon. So here is an overall view with my little Christmas tree back there in the corner. Okay, now at this end of the table, I have a black and white little coffee cup or teacup under my little Lenox saucer plate. And again, a black and white checkered creamer, and also a large crystal goblet from the Dollar General. And also I have these drinking cups. Those also came from Amazon. And I even have a smaller little water or wine glass. And here is another look at the table and the table runner, which I think is really pretty. Okay, I want to thank everybody for watching. Now please go over and check out the playlist. And a big thank you to Anna for putting these collaborations together for the holidays, and for our guest, Denise Glam Style Living, for choosing the theme Mackenzie Child or Mackenzie Child Inspired black and white or checkered tablescape. I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can decorate your Christmas tablescape in a black and white checkered design. Oh, and I also have these Lindor chocolate covered coconut candies. I love the blue wrappers, and they're very good. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of content, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and to all the ladies that are participating. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. And have yourself a Merry Christmas.